Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am back with another bit of training. One thing in my class is I make a ton of YouTube videos that I expect you students to work with, and the technique that makes it work best is if you split your screen on both sides. So the way I teach that is for you to pull it down just one tiny inch. Once you pull it down, there is a spot above the tab that I want you to simply grab, and then when you push it against the side of your monitor, it automatically snaps to that exact size. I'm going to open my window in another tab, so it just launches. When this one launches, I'm going to pull it down 1 inch as well. I'm making sure it's mute so that it doesn't wreck our video. And then I do the same thing where I go under the X, so I'm touching the blue edge right here, and I just snap it against this side as well until it comes to the exact same size. Now you may have noticed there was a little trickeration there. That is because I've got double screens, but I showed you as well as I can. Remember, if you want to put it on the right side, you grab above the right tab and then push it against that wall. If you want to go to the left side of your monitor, you grab below the X and you snap it on that side. And that, my friends, is how you watch training movies on one screen while you do the work on the other. Thanks a lot for watching. If this movie helped you, please click that like button. If you haven't hit subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, click that notification bell. If you notice the upgrade in audio quality, we need to thank It's Ethan for loaning me a blue snowball for recording purposes. Thanks a lot and have a great day, friends. I'm